Our smiles bring joy to life, but many of us reach a time when our smiles could use a little help. If you're ready for a change right now, Aspen Dental offers affordable walk-in denture services near you. And with the convenience of our on-site labs, we can get started on your denture needs that same day. When you walk through our doors, our dental experts can walk you through your options and help you rediscover the feeling of your natural smile. How do we do that for you? If you already wear dentures and they don't fit as well as they used to, we can replace them. Or maybe your gums or bone have changed and a reline will make them feel just right. If your dentures are old, cracked, or not feeling like your natural teeth anymore, we can show you replacement solutions that fit your life and budget. And if you're considering dentures for the first time, your Aspen Dental Care team is ready to help you get started. We'll take a 3D scan of your mouth so we can see the full picture and talk about the best treatment plan for you. So if you're looking for the best time to repair, replace, or even start your denture journey, it's time to walk into your nearest Aspen Dental. We're ready to bring joy to your smile when it matters most.